Top 8 Mansory Customized Luxury SUVs. Number 8. Mansory Ferrari Pugnator. At number 8 is the Mansory Ferrari Pugnator, a bold transformation of Ferrari's first-ever four-door SUV. Finished in vermilion red metallic paint with forged carbon fiber accents, it features an aggressive wide-body kit, enlarged air intakes, and a two-piece roof spoiler designed to enhance aerodynamics. Under the hood, the 6.5-liter V12 now produces 755 horsepower thanks to ECU tuning and a high-performance 4-flow exhaust system. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds. It rides on new 22-inch front-forged wheels, improving both handling and stance. Inside, the cabin is finished in luxurious ivory leather with red contrast stitching, quilted Mansory seats, custom carbon fiber trims, and a carbon leather Mansory sport steering wheel with an integrated shift light elevate the experience. Embroidered seat belts, custom floor mats, and Mansory aluminum sport pedals complete the bespoke interior. With a starting price of $800,000, the Mansory Pugnator blends Ferrari performance with Mansory's unmistakable luxury craftsmanship. Number 7. Mansory Aston Martin DBX. At number 7, Mansory takes Aston Martin's first-ever SUV and dials it up to the extreme. The DBX receives a full-body transformation finished in black metallic paint, highlighted by bold lime green accents and a forged carbon aerodynamic kit that amplifies its presence. Widened fenders and massive 24-inch DX5 forged wheels give it an aggressive stance, while the vented carbon hood hints at the power beneath. Inside, the cabin is wrapped in black leather with lime green stitching and exposed carbon fiber trim. Mansory's custom sport steering wheel and embroidered floor mats add the final bespoke touches. Power comes from a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, now producing 800 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. A high-performance exhaust system ensures the sound matches the looks. Priced at around $300,000, this DBX fuses British elegance with Mansory's signature performance. Number 6. Mansory Mercedes AMG G63. Number 6 is the Mansory Mercedes AMG G63, transformed into an ultra-exclusive powerhouse. Available in just 8 units per variant under the Kronos and Grand Entree editions, this is exclusivity taken to the extreme. The exterior features full-forged carbon bodywork, a redesigned front apron with integrated LED lighting, and an aggressive carbon hood with functional air intakes. At the rear, an illuminated Mansory spare wheel cover and roof-mounted LED lights complete its commanding presence. Inside, the transformation is just as dramatic. A starlight headliner creates a celestial atmosphere, while diamond-stitched leather seats, hand-finished carbon fiber trim, and custom ambient lighting define the cabin. A redesigned steering wheel, Mansory sport pedals, and illuminated door sills reinforce the bespoke feel. Power comes from a twin-turbo V8, producing 820 horsepower and 1,150 Newton-meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.0 seconds. With a price of $600,000, this is not just a G-Class, it is a statement of power and prestige. Number 5. Mansory Range Rover SV. At number 5 is the Mansory Range Rover SV, where British elegance meets high-performance craftsmanship. Its exterior is defined by a full carbon fiber hood with integrated vents, a redesigned front apron, and sculpted side skirts that enhance its commanding stance. At the rear, a sporty roof spoiler and reworked rear apron add to its dynamic appeal. Sitting on 24-inch forged wheels, this SUV perfectly balances luxury and aggression. Inside, refinement takes center stage. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather with intricate contrast stitching, complemented by carbon fiber accents throughout. A leather and carbon steering wheel, Mansory branded aluminum pedals, and custom floor mats elevate the driving experience with exceptional attention to detail on every surface. Under the hood, a tuned V8 produces 620 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters of torque. It launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds. A high-performance exhaust delivers a deep, aggressive growl. With a starting price of $250,000, the Mansory Range Rover SV delivers the perfect balance of power, luxury, and prestige. Number 4. Mansory Audi RS-Q8. The Mansory RS-Q8 emerges as a stunning fusion of German precision and bold luxury. Its exterior captivates with a deep black finish, accented by striking red decorative stripes flowing from the carbon fiber bonnet across its sleek form. High-quality carbon crafts the front, side skirts, and rear, paired with 24-inch forged wheels for a commanding stance. Inside, the lavish cabin blends black and red leather with Alcantara, featuring red contrast stitching, carbon fiber trim, and a bespoke Mansory steering wheel. Under the hood, the 4.0L twin-turbo V8 surges to 780 horsepower and 1,000 km of torque. With a high-performance exhaust, it sprints from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.3 seconds and reaches 320 km/h. Starting near $200,000, it's a masterpiece of power and style. Number 3. Mansory Cadillac Escalade. An American luxury icon with Mansory's signature performance upgrades, the exterior features several carbon fiber add-on body applications, including a redesigned front bumper, hood, and rear diffuser. The massive Mansory forged alloy wheels measure 26 inches, wrapped in high-performance tires for an imposing stance. Inside, the cabin is reupholstered with premium leather, hand-stitched details, and bespoke carbon fiber trims. Mansory also integrates custom ambient lighting, an enhanced infotainment system, and luxury seating options to elevate comfort and exclusivity. Under the hood, the 6.2L V8 engine is tuned to 461 horsepower and 650 Newton of torque. Starting at $500,000, the Mansory Escalade redefines American luxury with European craftsmanship. Number 2. Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan takes the ultimate luxury SUV and pushes it to an entirely new level. With a full forged carbon fiber body, a widened stance, and an aggressive new front design, this Cullinan is anything but subtle. Performance upgrades take the 6.75L twin-turbo V12 from refined power to an intimidating 16 horsepower and 950 meters of torque. This results in a 0 to 100 km/h sprint of just 4.5 seconds. Inside, Mansory's craftsmanship is on full display. The cabin is transformed with hand-stitched diamond-quilted leather, gold-plated accents, and custom ambient lighting. The rear seats are designed for absolute comfort, featuring retractable luxury tables and a chilled champagne compartment. The driver's cockpit includes bespoke Mansory controls and a digital interface, ensuring a high-tech yet ultra-luxurious experience. Prices start at $800,000. Number 1. Mansory Lamborghini Venatus. The Mansory Venatus is the most extreme iteration of the Urus, transforming Lamborghini's super SUV into a hyper-aggressive powerhouse. With a complete wide-body conversion, extensive forged carbon fiber enhancements, and a massive triple exhaust system, the Venatus is built for those who demand uncompromising performance and bold aesthetics. Under the hood, Mansory pushes the 4.0L twin-turbo V8 to an astonishing 900 horsepower. This allows the Venatus to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds. The interior is fully customizable, offering bespoke Alcantara, premium leather, and carbon fiber trim. A half-leather, half-carbon fiber steering wheel, illuminated Mansory logos, and color-matched ambient lighting create a high-tech yet luxurious atmosphere. Rear passengers are treated to exclusive digital displays and VIP-style seating. With its aggressive aerodynamics, immense power, and handcrafted luxury, the Mansory Lamborghini Urus Venatus starts at $600,000, making it one of the most extreme and exclusive SUVs on the market. Enjoyed the video? Like and subscribe for more luxury car content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.